Beautiful waterfall with free entry in São Tomé das Letras, Minas Gerais, Brazil. Located on the Bipendi, São Tomé das Letras road, the path to Flávio'S waterfall is already enchanting with its lush green landscape and rural life. Right at the entrance, on weekends, we find vendors selling a wide variety of items, from food and drinks to handicrafts. With a very short trail and no major difficulties, this is one of the few waterfalls in the town where admission is free. A shallow pool with 3 waterfalls is complemented by a very pleasant sandy beach for visitors. If you enjoyed this video, please leave your like, subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to follow us in our next adventure in an incredibly cozy cottage surrounded by nature.